Guys, this is a lock picking video, but I'd just like to show you where I am at the moment. I'm in Spain, in BENIDORM. I'll show you the view from our balcony. We got here today and it's red hot. It's now 5:45, and as you can see, people are still in the pool and in their shorts. So today I've got a sterling 40mm padlock for you. It's a 5-pinner. Works fine. Show you the bitting. So ups and downs on this key. Made a bit of a balls up, to be honest though. The only tension range bottom of the keyway what I've actually brought is too wide, so when I put it in, got no room at all for my pick, so I've had to use top of the keyway and the bottom to tension it, which is a bit awkward because it slips sometimes, but we'll give it a go picking it for you. The order I'm going to actually pick this is with picking pin 5 to begin with, come back down to 2 and going back to 4, and it should really pop. So that's the plan of action. Anyway, so Peterson short hook, back of the lock, tension on. So I'm going to knock 5 up, down to, should be 2, there we go, 4, 2's not set properly, there we go, just pin 4 again. Rather set some up, so I'm going to release that, so it is slipping. So start at pin 5, knock that up, come back to pin 2, sure if that's set, pin 4, that's 2, there we go. So there it is, it's open. Not the best of picks, sorry guys, but I hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers.